Alright, now that we've got the two gear assemblies assembled, we're going to put it back into the case. Now there's a flange on the edge of each of those, and make sure that drop those in the right slots. There you go. And then we got a plastic bushing. It's going to go on the end of that arm, and that slides into the hole there. And that allows the that arm to swing back and forth, switch between forward and reverse. Now the next assembly. There we go, make sure it meshes with the other gears. And the control arm for that gets set in place. And now we'll fill it with grease and we'll put the top on.